Cold heading is a unique process of a machine cutting off a piece of round wire, transferring it over to a die section, and the machine basically forces the material to flow into the shape of the die. The advantages of cold heading over machining are that cold heading is much faster and there's no waste produced from machining the material away. You also get much stronger and durable parts from cold heading as well. Bigelow has always tried to get into the ground floor with engineers when they're designing a component. One of the reasons for that is we can help them make the part more manufacturable. Often engineers will design something that fits their purpose very well, but once they go to find out how they're going to produce it, they find out it's a little more difficult. Or they've added some attributes to the part that simply can't be easily manufactured. And basically it all comes down to cost. So if we can help them design something that will suit their purpose, as well as be assembly friendly, then it's a win-win for both. Over the years, Bigelow has developed a pretty substantial secondary operations cell. With secondary operations, we find that we can achieve many different shapes, very precise shapes, squares, rectangles, even octagons. Some parts have multiple diameters and they all have to be concentric to each other. We find that you can't achieve that in the header itself. So what we'll do is we'll develop a secondary operation tooling and we'll actually trim the part into specifications. With our cold heading capabilities, we can head wires all the way down to 15 thousandths of an inch, all the way up to 475. It's about the size of a T on a dime. Your hair is 4 thousandths, so it's 4 to 5 times the thickness of a human hair. Bigelow's been around for almost 60 years, and my father built it up to a very successful manufacturing plant. His can-do attitude and perseverance is what made Bigelow very successful. That's the principle on which my father built Bigelow, and I'm committed to maintaining it.